The designer's name is Yifan Zuo, and the title of the project is Poiscaille, and it deals with how to add value to the fish skin in France. Yifan is a Chinese student who joined MPA about 2 years ago, and she noticed that in France we don't eat any of the fish skin, and fish skin is really rich in protein. And since the major philosophy of the lab is how to feed the planet now and in the future, she decided that there is a big market for the protein transition with the fish skin. At the moment, the project looks like salt shakers, if you like, series of salt shakers with different flavors in them and different types of fish skin. And that came from a long process of practice-based research to come up to that methodology. Actual work is really, really gorgeous and very beautiful when you look at the different colors that she used to investigate different types of fish. So she went from salmon to cods to any fish you can imagine in the Atlantic Ocean. She started looking at the strength of fish, the odors, and all of that requires a lot of research, but a lot of practice work as a designer to treat the ingredients of food as materials. With the direction of the lab focusing on the protein transition and minimizing food waste, this is also the concern of many business strategies. She can take to any fish business or restaurants or hotels to minimize food waste and turn that food waste into something that people can consume and benefit from that consumption health-wise. She's actually working at one of the companies. Yifan is actually working at the moment at one of the companies in France, but her long-term plans, which she started, is to turn her project as a startup in Shanghai. And she has already started doing that. And I've recommended also her name to our Shanghai campus director, who's going to probably employ her in the studio as a tutor.